welcome back to my channel. So clearly by the title, by the thumbnail, by me being in my living room, you can tell I'm about to do a mukbang. And while we're doing this mukbang, you guys, I am going to be answering some of y'all questions. I did a Q&A on Instagram, also on YouTube. I'm gonna try to make sure I answer as many of the questions as I can, and I hope y'all can hear me just fine. The microphone is very far away, and I'm sure it's like a crazy ass echo. I really hope it's not though, because that would suck. That would actually really suck. But I got me some juicy crab, y'all, so I'm hungry. I got my dirty ass shirt on, because you gotta have dirty shirt on when you're used to doing some juicy crab. I got my gloves and my bib, because I can't do it without it. Like, I eat rough, and all this juice be flying. If you guys want to see this hair tutorial, or how I got like this hair like super sleek back and stuff, I'll put it right here. So I got the king crab, half a pound of shrimp, and that comes with corn and potato. I got my cup of ice right here. I got a Pepsi that I might drink. I really don't drink sodas, y'all, but this is the only thing I got to drink, and I didn't feel like drinking water. And I got mine in the Juicy Special sauce. So let me just rant right quick. So I'm in Atlanta, just so y'all know. And, you know, I normally go to the Juicy Crab on Camp Creek or whatever. But them motherfuckers do not answer the phone. So I have officially said I'm not going back to Camp Creek. So we went to Douglasville. It was a great experience. It wasn't crowded. It ain't small. It's big. It's still a lot of black folks, so I digs it. And, you know, they was professional. Answer the damn phone. And I got my shrimp with the head on, because I just want to see if it's a big difference as far as, like, the taste-wise. Y'all really went in with the questions, like, look at that. I don't know if there's a way to answer all this, but I am gonna go ahead and start. Could you upload more videos throughout the week? That is so funny. That was the first thing she asked. That was literally the first question. And the reason that I posted this Q&A was leading up to me actually wanting to post more videos in a week. I've already told my Instagram fam, so I might as well tell y'all. I'm planning on doing 4 videos a week now. How to minimize frizz and dryness now that the summer is almost here. I saw this question earlier, so I brought this product down here. But this is the WED Advanced Climate Control Anti-Frizz Nanotechnology. And you just shake it up and spray it on your hair. Look at that. So you just spray it on your hair after you have done it. So after I do my wash and go, before I send it on the dryer, I just spray this, y'all. This is so good, but it's $32. So until some of your favorite brands try to make products like that, I don't think we got nothing else, friend. Where do you see yourself in 2 years? Y'all, I don't know. I done told y'all in the video, I don't really do that. Like, wherever I am in 2 years, I stopped planning ahead and just let go and let God. I'm just tired of, like, having my whole life planned out. I don't like to plan it ahead like that anymore. As far as that, I want to be more successful than I am today. That's all I know. How that's going to happen, I don't really know, y'all. I really don't. How did I overcome heat damage? I just cut my hair. Yeah, I just did the diva cut. And that was pretty much it. I was like, okay, it's time. I let it grow out. And while I let it grow out, I was just like cutting it, and I was doing perm rod sets and stuff like that. It was long enough to get a cut. It was nice. It was nice and long. And one day I was like, you know what, I'm fed up. I'm going to just get a diva cut so that they can shape it. So while I'm doing this, you know, transitioning into being natural, I'm not really upset about it. I just grew my hair out, cut it off, started my journey after that diva cut, and that was all she wrote. How do you keep your hair moisturized and shiny between wash days? Well, I think I wash my hair more often than you guys, first of all. So when my hair gets dry, I'm already about to wash it again. And also, my hair is moisture trained at this point. I have completely like moisture trained my hair. If you're having issues with your hair being moisturized until your next wash day, it's because you need to just be patient. You need to be deep conditioning your hair and making sure your shit is nice and moisturized so that it can retain that moisture. I hate when the damn shell don't come all off at one time. Come on. You know what? Shrimp and shit like that really is not the best shit to try to eat when you really hungry, because you gotta peel all this off. I should've got a damn hamburger and been done. But I really had a taste for this. And it was $50. It was $48 and stuff for these damn king crab. They better be good as hell. even though I ain't got no damn crackers. And that was my problem last time. Me and Crystal, when she had came for the hair show, we had ordered some king crab. And girl, we couldn't get into it. But I'm hoping I can get into this one though. Y'all, I ain't ate king crab before. I never had king crab before. I use no crab. But I'm trying to be fancy. The meat in this, people say it's better. Get more meat and stuff, so. Do you know how inspirational you are? I hope you do. I mean, I don't think I understand to the capacity of what y'all be saying, because when I seen some of y'all in person, y'all just seemed like I was so inspirational. But I'm like, yeah, I'm sure I inspire people to like want to post more on YouTube and want to up their game, but like, I don't know. But thank you. I do want to feel like I've inspired somebody when I'm doing whatever I do when I leave this world. I do want to feel like I left an impact, you know? When you use the clay mask to clarify your hair, do you shampoo after? No, I've mentioned this so many times, y'all. Like, I don't understand how many times I gotta mention this. No, why would you shampoo your hair? It's a cleanser. It replaces your shampoo. I really have answered that question so many times. Like, can y'all just like watch more videos? Please, please. It is a cleanser. I don't double cleanse. I don't shampoo twice. I don't do any of that. What y'all see in these videos is what I actually do. Some of y'all be asking me specific questions about your hair. I can't answer questions based on your hair. I can only answer questions based on what I do to my hair. So y'all be like, my hair falling out. What do I do? I don't know. My hair not falling out. I don't know. Go to the doctor. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. How? I don't know. I don't know. Like, you have to learn your own hair. Like, you specifically have to learn your hair. How to station your camera to record in the shower. I've tried it and was a fail. I don't think that's necessarily how I position my camera, because I just position it literally be right in front of me. So, like, I think it's just my camera. I got a camera lens and stuff on there. It doesn't get foggy. I don't know. I just never had that issue. I need another crab leg. Oh, yeah. What are your top 3 favorite makeup products and skincare products? My favorite for skin is Urban Skin RX. I love it. I love Korean skincare. I order stuff like from China all the time. As far as like makeup, y'all, I have to do a separate video on that because that'll take a minute. So we gonna have to do a separate video about like my favorite makeup, because I like a whole lot of stuff for different reasons, you know? Oh, that is a lot of meat. No wonder they big $30. Oh, God, yeah. Look at that. Why are you so bomb? LOL, love your energy. Thank you for reading. Girl, y'all so sweet. Y'all just like me. I just be myself, man. Do I work out? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I do not. I think y'all think I work out because I got an okay body or whatever. I just try to eat stuff that got like some kind of fiber in it. I know I ain't eating that right now. I just keep the same weight I already got. I don't work out. I mean, I should work out though to be healthy. But right now, the way my house set up, I'm too far away from gyms and stuff, so I'm not about to travel 20, 30 minutes to go to the gym. By the time I get there, I don't want to work out no more. This one says, how are you? I know God has been really blessing you, but are you doing okay mentally? Yeah, I am great mentally. Like, back when I was working, I was the worst that I've ever been mentally. Like, I had to sit out of work for like a month due to my mental health. I was at the point I probably could have killed that damn man. Now I'm just being honest. I don't even be trying to kill nobody, cause I can't even see a dead body. I ain't even trying to do nothing like that. But he just, you know how somebody really just piss you off just to see you pissed off. That's how he was. That's how my old manager was. What is your method of recharging your energy or refocusing your mindset? I don't really follow a lot of people. if I do watch people, I make sure they are funny because laughter just evens out things. Like, I don't know, I just love to laugh. I just have to find people and situations that are positive and funny and inspiring. I don't communicate with a lot of my friends like on a daily basis. Like, I pretty much stay to myself, and that's not against anybody else. I feel like you have to have your me time consistently, like a lot of the time. But if not, you get caught up in the world of worrying about what other people think of stuff and all that kind of shit, and that's what makes you, you know, you can't invite negativity in your life, basically. Basically is what I'm saying. You cannot do that. How old are you? Why, how, why did you become a YouTuber? I feel like y'all asked me this. I feel like I done answered this so many times, but I'm 28 and I have been on here since 2010. So I think you guys are just now finding out about me, but I've just been doing it for a long time, and I've just shown you guys what I've been doing to my hair throughout the process. So when I started my YouTube, I used to do wigs. Then you guys kind of seen everything. Like, I just wanted to document my hair journey. That's all. But I did some makeup stuff. You guys know I took y'all through me buying this house. I took y'all through a whole lot. Like, I feel like that's what my channel is mainly about. Do I miss straight hair? No. Not at all. What type of hooded dryer do you use? Y'all ask me this a lot, and I don't tell y'all because it's just a random raggedy dryer that they don't even sell no more. I got it for $20 at the Goodwill. I read every comment, y'all. She said, I know that you're a hair enthusiast or beauty person, but why not also other videos? Y'all ain't gonna lie, these are a whole lot of questions. I'm gonna have to answer this in a video when I ain't eating, honey.